Hello, this is Laura with SkipperBud's in Marblehead, Ohio, and we are looking at a new brokerage listing. This is a 2018 Scarab 215 Wake Edition. It's got the nice charcoal gray hull, and we can see we have the single axle Scarab trailer with a nice swing tongue on the front, which makes it easy to put in a garage. This tower, the wakeboard tower on top, also does come down. So easy storage in a garage. It has the nice seagrass, like the woven carpet, which is easy, snaps in and out, makes cleaning nice and easy. And I love the accents. So this is our center cushion on, we can remove this, which makes coming in and out of the boat really nice and easy, and then people aren't walking on the cushions. But you can see it's got this nice little accent which matches the carpet, which I just think is really nice. And you can see we have lots of places to hold on to, which is great when you're underway. We have bolsters on both the captain and the co-captain seats, which is really nice. And I love the little cutaways because it gives you a little bit more leg room, and Scarab's seating is really comfortable. This boat only has 67 hours. It's a one-owner boat. It was purchased new in 2019. And we've got lots of settings we've got 3 ballast bags, and we've got settings which are like autofill and just different settings where if you have riders that like a certain cruise speed, Scarab does a really nice job of making all of that stuff really easy to set up. Lots of storage on the port side. We've got connections for our USB and then controls for our sound system. And then we do have the wakeboard tower, the board racks on the side. That definitely frees up a lot of room inside of the boat. There is storage throughout. So and there's one of our ballast bags, and behind it we have our battery switch. It's a nice placement. This boat is powered with twin Rotax 150s. Another look on a little close-up look of the stitching, the materials. Scarab does a really nice job. I think the mixed materials just complement each other really well. This is a sharp-looking boat. We have storage under all of those seats at the bow. Nice recessed cup holders. And at the front we have our ladder, which can swing up. So if you're at the sandbar, nice ladder placement there, as well as a spot for an anchor. And there we can see we have the cover. For more information on this boat, give us a call. We'd love to help you get on the water.